Bon dia, bon dia. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're at Waimea Falls. Oh, we're gonna go for a little hike today, huh?
This little baby girl's sick.
And by we're gonna go for a hike, it means I'm gonna hold you and hike with you so you don't have to walk. My sick little baby.
No, because you're going to the waterfall.
We say we're going on a hike. It's basically a nature walk.
That's hey.
It's hey hey. Cosy found hey hey. There's lots of hey heys around here. What'd you find?
A peacock.
A peacock? Cool peacocks and a bird. Don't chase it. It will attack you like a velociraptor. Kids are chasing hey hey. It's okay. Just crawl under the bushes. Go get hey hey. Go get him. They're under there. Yeah, there's a whole hen house in there. What have you guys been up to?
This tree is amazing. It's huge.
It's like 100
And it says it's 100 years old.
It looks like the tree of life.
Yeah, it is.
I found it. It's #1. It says they're endangered species.
Yeah, so we're looking for all of, you get this little
It's
bird
number
map,
one.
and Brielle's looking for all of them. So that's the bird number one.
It's Alayula. I don't know. Hawaiian Moor. I don't know. Are small water birds endemic? I don't know. To Hawaii and are considered extremely endangered.
So if you see a bird like this, you have to make sure nobody hurts it or touches it.
Yeah, because it's an endangered.
Okay, let's keep going. We're being serenaded by the cutest little Hawaiian ladies. Aloha!
Good morning.
Emmy, should we move? Should we move into this house? Huh? You want to move here? It doesn't have flushing toilets. Is that okay?
This is the house you're going to take a nap. Are you sleepy, Rue?
It's a house.
This is the house Rue needs to go in right now.
Oh wow. Nothing like a bed of rocks to sleep on. Okay, that's Emmy's room.
You want a house for you?
We'll get you a
Find
house.
Cosy a house?
You know, this house probably costs about $750,000 in Hawaii. That 10 by 10 property is worth about $1 million.
Ember is basically like Wonder Woman. Look at her pulling this cart.
Chicken?
She doesn't want any help.
Chicken. Where's Hey? I don't know. Come on, baby, look. Emmy, look, we're gonna go find some birds. Come here. Let's go find
Like, this is a hill and she just keeps
Let's go find
powering up. Off to the waterfall we go.
Waterfall. We made it to the waterfall, finally. Pretty cool. The kids just found a burst of energy. They saw the waterfall. Oh, please don't fall. Please don't fall. Got it. Atta girl, you ready to go swim? Put on your jacket.
Yeah.
Take your flippers off. Or are you gonna wear them?
You ready?
It's okay. We'll stay here. I'll fix those. Cosy, say let's go.
Down.
Let's go. Reel's in. Let's go, my dude. Crocodile. Bode, there are no crocodiles. Come here, baby. Come here. I'll get you. Is that so cold? It's awesome. You're swimming. You're doing it. Nice job. I got you. I think she's cold. Here, he'll come back. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, you gotta swim hard! Kick! Are you gonna swim hard, kid? I got you! You're getting squashed! Go, Brielle, go! Bode, over here! Woo! Right here, Bode! Right here! Cozy, you did it!
Mom, look at Mom.
Cozy, you're so brave. She didn't love it, but she did it. Ems, high five, girl. Are you cold? Should we get you a towel? Okay, let's find a towel. We're getting some pictures of the kids and their towels after the waterfall.
So
Was that fun?
Emmy, Cosy, look at Dad.
Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, Cozy loved it. Not. 1, 2, 3, say waterfall. Say Waimea. Cosette, hi.
We're off to the next adventure, which hopefully entails, yeah, food. You said it. You said it, pregnant lady.
Listen to these little monkeys. Good work, Derek. Keep pulling.
I got this.
Keep pulling. I wish there was room for me. My legs are burning. Show me what you got.
A tiger shark tooth.
Ooh, is that your souvenir?
No, it's a weapon.
Oh, it's a weapon. Oh, okay. We just got some yummy food at the Dole Plantation and now we're on a train and look how pretty it is here. Are you guys ready for the train ride?
Yeah!
I hope you guys don't fall out. That'd be bad.
There's a chain that blocks us from going out, see?
That would definitely stop you from falling, I can tell.
I could actually get out.
Are you guys ready for a train ride?
Yeah!
Oh man, are the kids gonna miss this place. They just can't get enough. You know my kids with water. They love their kayaks, they love their waves. They just love to be in the water. It was a fun vacation. Unfortunately, today's the last day at the beach. I think we might try to squeeze some time in tomorrow, but we'll see. Hawaii is fun without kids. It's that much more fun with kids. Can you believe we have one more coming? 5 kids. I can't believe it. Love you, Hawaii.
No, 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 no.
Do you guys want to try to learn to body surf? Okay, Brielle first. All you do is come out here a little farther. Well, you just did it. Uh-oh. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, we missed it. Okay. Here it comes. You ready? Okay, here you go. Okay, I see it. I see the wave. All right, here it comes. You ready? I'm gonna push you real hard. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. That's awesome. You've gone all the way in multiple times. Okay. Should we wait for a big wave?
The sun's about to set, so we probably won't be out much longer, but it's a beautiful night. The kids are having fun. Bode did some good boogie boarding. Brielle gave it a good try, and now Derek's out with Emmy. We might have traumatized her too much at the waterfall today, so we'll see how she does with this. Well, that didn't last long.
No, she was a little nervous, but it was fun.
Emmy, did you have fun out there?
She would say, wee!
Did you go in the big water? Yeah.
Oh, they're going for it. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, I didn't think Mom was gonna get in that water. Oh, Wahoo, I love you. Don't let the wave get you. Don't get wet.